Hi friends, this is Imba Trader, and today I wanted to start with bragging one small thing. I test drove a Ferrari recently and it was such a great experience that motivates me moving forward. I know that working hard will eventually bring me to the point when maybe I can buy a Ferrari myself. So this is why I'm consistent with my trading. I know that there are good days and bad days when I just lose all the time, and during those bad days I try not to think about quitting, but I do analyze. I think about what I'm doing wrong, make a step back and make small steps forward. So today I'm with the Finrally platform. This is the platform that accepts the traders from USA, Canada and rest of the world. So if you are interested, go ahead and register. The link is in the description. Just check it out. This is the main trading window. Let's check what asset has nice profitability and some good movement. Alright, so this was the perfect moment for the reversal trade, but maybe not the best entry point at the moment. Okay, anyway, GBP JPY. Alright, so this is it. Let me make this trade first. Even without the indicators, I do see that this is the nice setup for the reversal trade. So our starting balance is 8400 plus the 100 that I just invested in this trade. 1 minute expiry, and let's see how it ends. So once I get the results of this trade, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the indicators and do some more in-depth analysis. Okay, perfect. $185 return. It was right in time, just when we entered the platform. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the trading view charting tool. You see this icon to the upper left. It uses the feed from tradingview.com. You can check it out by clicking the link over here. So we do trade GBP JPY. Here it is, switching to the 1 minute interval. Alright, here is a good graph. There is a strong downwards trend happening at the moment, and I think that there is another reversal that should happen momentarily. I do feel it even without the indicators, but maybe not. Maybe let's wait a bit more. Let's set up indicators meanwhile. So Bollinger Bands, CCI, Commodity Channel Index, and RSI relative. I'm gonna set up stochastic RSI. I like this one more. Alright, so there is 4 times breach of the lower Bollinger Band. The asset is oversold. You see it's currently at the 4% level, and the CCI is far behind the -200 level. So yeah, there's like a really strong downwards trend happening, but I do expect it to start changing the direction. So I get this question asked all the time: what's your strategy? You know, there is no certain strategy that is the same all the time and that I use during every trade session. It depends on the market condition, and my method adapts to it every time. So the two main strategies are trend follow and reversal strategy. This is the one when I just follow the trend and make the trades in the same direction as the trend goes, and the another one is when I do expect the price to change its direction, and it's called the reversal trade. So at this point it does make sense to wait until the good moment for the reversal trade. So you see this is an indicator that I'm gonna go ahead with $200 trade. So this was when it turned green, it was a sign that the price is ready to change its direction and moving in the opposite direction. So that's why I doubled my trade amount, because this looks like a reliable trade, because we had the confirmation from basically all three indicators that I'm using. So there is just 30 seconds left and we'll see how it ends. This is GBP JPY with 85% return, and I'm gonna get, let's wait, okay, perfect. So my result is plus $370. So this is the reversal strategy that I used here. Once I had the confirmation from the RSI indicator that the item is oversold, that the asset is oversold. I did have the confirmation from the CCI that the direction is starting going up, and so of course the Bollinger Band that was breached for several times, and I think at this point we can even go ahead and make one more trade in the same direction, because the asset price will should continue going up. I'm not exactly 100% confident that it's gonna happen, but we'll see. It was moving down for some significant amount of time, so probably it's gonna take a couple minutes for it to go in the reverse direction. That's why I'm not losing time. I'm doing the 1 minute trade in order to utilize that price direction change to its fullest. You see how it's going in the levels with my trade. Okay, perfect. So this is a tie. I neither lost nor won. I invested $200 and I got my $200 back. So probably I need to monitor the market a bit more. Okay, it's still okay. One more try. Not the best entry point. The price went far down right after that, so probably I will martingale and make the confirmation trade. Another $200 in the same direction, just in case if this my first trade loses, it will be backed up by the second one, and that's why my loss will be minimized. Or maybe, okay, results $200. Okay, so it was a tie for my first trade, and because both of them were made in different time frames, the expiration of the second one is delayed. It's gonna happen a bit later. So I had two ties at a time. Okay, and yeah, it finally started moving up. So $370 revenue. So we started at the, I think it was 8400 level. We are at the 89 at the moment. So let's go ahead and maybe make one more trade just to get over the 9,000 level. Probably, yeah, I think it should continue moving upwards because of the time it was moving down. You see how many candles during what period of time, like 6 minutes, it was moving down. So probably it will take the same amount of time to reverse, or maybe not, based on this candle. probably it was a fake out. So this point is the good place to put another call trade for the upper direction. So let's see. And again, the asset isn't overbought already, but it's clearly moving up based on the two of the indicators that we have over here. So this is why I continue moving the call trades. You see, I didn't make any of the put trades on the trades for the upper direction. I had two ties, which is pretty odd, but you know, things happen. Alright, so just 10 seconds left. Amazing. $370 revenue, and I stepped over the $9,000 level. I'm right now at $9,100 level, and I think I will stop here. I'm not gonna take much of your time. So we did cover the reversal strategy to its fullest. Maybe next time I will try to find the setups for the trend follow one, because I get these questions all the time, like what's your strategy, what's your strategy, like tell me your strategy. There is no magic bullet, it's just trading all the time, like looking at the graphs when you have lunch and spending several hours per day just trading. So if you are interested, subscribe to my YouTube channel, go ahead and try trading yourself. The links are in the description, and I will see you later. Bye guys.